Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematics by Suman Bhomik. Today we will solve this problem. This problem was asked in June 2018 CSIR NET Mathematical Science from Part C. The question is from linear algebra based on rank nullity theorem. Let's read the question first. If A is a 5 cross 5 matrix and the dimension of solution space of Ax equal to 0 is at least 2, then rank of A square is less than equal to 3, rank of A square is greater than equal to 3, rank of A square is equal to 3, and determinant of A square is equal to 0. To solve this, we need to know what is the dimension of solution space. Let's start the solution. We know the dimension of the solution space of the homogeneous equation Ax is equal to 0 is nullity of A. That is, nullity of A is greater than equal to 2, as it is said it is at least 2. Now we know from rank nullity theorem rank of A plus nullity of A is equal to 5, where A is a matrix of 5 cross 5 order. Implies rank of A is equal to 5 minus nullity of A, which is less than equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So rank of A is less than equal to 3. So rank of A is at most 3. We know a property that rank of A plus rank of B minus n is less than equal to rank of product matrix AB is less than equal to minimum of rank of A and rank of B. Then if B is equal to A, then rank of A plus rank of A minus n is less than equal to rank of A squared less than equal to minimum of rank of A and rank of A. That is, rank 2 into rank of A minus n less than equal to rank of A squared less than equal to rank of A. We know rank of A is at most 3. So 2 into 3 minus 5 is less than equal to rank of A squared less than equal to 3, where rank of A is at most 3. So 1 is less than equal to rank of A square less than equal to 3. So rank of A square will be between 1 and 3. Hence option A is correct and option B is wrong. Option C is also wrong, as rank of A square may not be exactly 3. A matrix A equal to Aij of order n cross n is singular if and only if rank of A is less than n, as rank of A squared is less than or equal to 3, which is less than 5, so A square must be singular. So determinant of A square equal to 0. So option D is correct. So the correct options are A and D. Thank you for watching the video. Please share the video with others and subscribe the channel. Thank you.